Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to enable full screen caller ID photos for your iPhone calls. For that, you need to go on your settings. Now here you need to scroll at the end and there you can see this option apps. You need to tap on that. Now here you need to search for the phone application. After that, you can simply tap on that. And there you can see the option incoming calls. You can tap on that. Now here you can see two options, banner or full screen. You need to tap on full screen. Now your full screen in your caller ID photos has been enabled. Now in order to check, you can go to your contacts. Here I am going to search one of my friend. Now at the top right, you can see edit option. You can tap on that. And there you can see the option add photo. You can tap on that. Here now you can choose the photo that you want in your caller ID. Now you can simply tap on done. Now you can see that the full screen caller ID photos has been enabled or appeared. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.